Hello and welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today we are unboxing an item I did not expect to receive so quickly. Today's item comes from Farfetch. Now I purchased this item with my own money and am not partnering or sponsored with them. Farfetch is a website that partners with stores and boutiques from around the world to offer you a variety of different products. They will take care of the shipping and return for you. So all you need to do in the event you don't like the item or need to return it is just put it back in the box with the return label. As you can see, the item I ordered is a Saint Laurent item. It is the Mini Lou camera bag with the tiger burnout print. This particular bag came from London, and I didn't realize that the taxes, customs, and duties were all included in the price. I am showing the authenticity card with the bag. It did come in the Saint Laurent box as well as the dust bag. This bag I've seen a lot of YouTubers have, and for this particular print, I've been looking for it for a while. It does not do it justice on camera as it does in person, if that makes sense. The front is made of a polyester type material, with the rest of the bag being full leather. The tassel is full leather as well, like the plain bags you'll see that are quite popular. The chain is a matte black and does have a leather bit at the top. This bag can have a variety of different prints. Inside, you will see there are 3 card slots and no zip pocket on the other side. However, it does open quite wide. The dimensions I'll go ahead and put on the screen as well. The back of the bag has a pocket which you can put your phone in. It does fit the larger size iPhone. I have the 11. The D-rings that hold the strap are matte black as well, and are very well made. I haven't taken any mod shots yet, but the chain does allow for the bag to be worn crossbody and hits me at about the hip level. I am 5'5" for reference. Here's another look at the chain. I also want to mention that the YSL logo on the front of the bag is matte black. This bag is new for this season and retails for about $850 on the Farfetch site, or for over $1,100 on other sites. It's well worth checking out. I'll go ahead and leave some more information in the description box below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content. We'll have a what fits in my Mini Lou camera bag in the near future. If you have any questions about the bag, please leave it in the comment box below. I'll be happy to try and answer as many as I can. I hope you have a great rest of your day and you're staying safe.